everyone, welcome. In this video, we're going to be looking into how you can install WordPress on your laptop. So let's get started. So we'll be using an app called LocalWP. So first, head over to the official website of LocalWP to download this app. It is available for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Just click the download button and it should start downloading. Alright, so once the download is complete, proceed with the installation. It's really simple and a straightforward process. And after installation, start the LocalWP tool. Upon launching the LocalWP app, you'll see the main screen which looks something like this. Click on Create New Site to begin setting up your WordPress website. Choose a name for your website and proceed. Now you'll be prompted to choose between a preferred or a custom environment. For beginners, the preferred option is recommended. Then click on Continue. The final step is to select a username and password for your WordPress installation. For experimentation purposes, any combination will do, but for any live or real projects, choose a really strong combination for username and password. As of now, leave the email as it is, but if you're working on a real website, just put in your real email ID. And then click on Add Site to proceed. LocalWP will take a few seconds to set up your WordPress website. Once complete, you'll see the confirmation screen with all the details. One more step. To ensure a secure connection, go to the SSL option, click on the Trust button over here to enable an SSL certificate for your installation. If you don't do this, your website may not work on browsers like Chrome or Safari. And that's it. You've successfully installed WordPress on your computer. You can now start or stop the website using this red button at the top right or on the bottom left of the screen. Remember, this installation is local. If you plan to make your website public, you can export and host it on a real web server. And that's all for the WordPress installation. Catch you in the next video.